Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Mr. English Easy. I'm Mr. James. 9 days ago, I made a promise to myself. Just 9 days. That's all. I wanted to train my brain, to think faster, to focus longer, to feel sharper every single day. Why did I do it? Ask yourself the same question right now. Why do you want a stronger mind? Hold that reason close. Keep it in your chest. Because today, this is not just about brain training. This is about becoming a stronger version of yourself. Let me tell you something plainly. A sharp mind is not magic. It is not talent. It is a process. And every process becomes easy when you take it in small steps. I will walk with you through this, step by step, slowly, gently, like a friend holding your hand. Here is a foundational truth. You do not need a genius brain to become sharper. You need discipline, patience, and a willingness to start today. Most people wait. They say, next month. They say, when I have more time. And years pass. Do not wait. Not today. Not one more day. Now let me walk you through exactly what I did. 9 days, 15 steps. Watch how small changes create a shockingly different mind. Step 1 is waking up without your phone. The principle is simple. Protect your first thoughts. On day 1, I opened my eyes and reached for my phone like always. I stopped myself. I just breathed instead. It felt strange, but it was the first brick. Step 2 is drinking water immediately. Your brain is mostly water. A dry brain is a slow brain. I kept a glass by my bed. Every morning, before anything else, I drank it slowly. Step 3 is 5 minutes of silence. No noise, no music, no talking, just sitting. This trains your mind to be still, so it can think clearly later. Step 4 is writing 3 thoughts on paper, not a to-do list. Just what is in your head. This empties your mind, like pouring water out of a full cup, so more can enter. Step 5 is one small physical movement. A short walk, a few stretches. Your body and your brain are connected. When one moves, the other wakes up too. On day 3, I just walked around my room for 5 minutes. That was enough. Step 6 is choosing one task to focus on. Not 10 tasks. 1. This trains deep focus instead of scattered attention. I picked one thing every morning and gave it my full mind for 20 minutes. Step 7 is removing distractions before you begin. Phone in another room. Notifications off. This is not about willpower. It is about making focus easy by removing what fights against it. Step 8 is the 20-minute focus block. Set a timer. Work on one task without stopping, without checking anything else. On day 4, I could barely last 10 minutes. By day 7, 20 minutes felt short. Step 9 is a short break after every focus block. 5 minutes. Stand up. Look away from the screen. Your brain needs rest to absorb what it just learned. The same way muscles need rest to grow after exercise. Step 10 is reading for 10 minutes daily. Not scrolling. Reading. A book, an article, anything that requires your full attention. This trains your brain to sit with ideas longer than a few seconds. Step 11 is learning one new small thing each day. A word, a fact, a skill. This keeps your brain forming new connections, like a tree growing new branches. Step 12 is reviewing your day before sleep. Just 2 minutes. What went well? What can improve? This is not judgment. This is simply noticing, gently, without harshness. Step 13 is sleeping at the same time each night. Your brain repairs itself in sleep. Inconsistent sleep is like building a house and tearing down a wall every night before it dries. Step 14 is no screens 30 minutes before bed. Let your mind slow down naturally. On day 6, this was the hardest step for me. By day 9, it felt like a relief, not a punishment. Step 15 is repeating this cycle daily, without needing to feel motivated. Discipline takes you where motivation cannot. Some mornings, I did not want to do any of this. I did it anyway. That is the whole secret. Now let me pause the steps for a moment. Let me tell you something from the heart. On day 5, I failed. I skipped my focus block. I scrolled for 2 hours instead. And for a moment, I felt ashamed. I thought about quitting. But listen to me. If a child falls while learning to walk, do you laugh at them? No. You encourage them. You help them stand again. Why would you treat your own mind any differently? Mistakes are allowed. A broken attempt is better than silent inaction. Falling on day 5 does not erase days 1 through 4. It is simply part of the walk. So I stood up again on day 6, and that single decision mattered more than any perfect streak ever could. Now close your eyes for a moment and picture this with me. It is 30 days from now. You wake up without reaching for your phone. Your mind feels quiet, not noisy. You sit down to work, and your focus lasts, instead of scattering after 5 minutes. Someone asks you a question, and instead of feeling foggy, you feel clear. You finish your work early. You have time left over, time you did not have before. You are smiling. You are calm. You are confident. This is not a fantasy. This is simply what 9, then 30, then 60 days of small steps builds inside you. Now, say these with me. Say them slowly and mean them. I am not afraid to start small. I am training my mind one day at a time. I will not quit when it gets hard. Say them again, a little stronger this time. I am not afraid to start small. I am training my mind, one day at a time. I will not quit when it gets hard. Feel those words settle into you. My friend, 9 days ago, I was not trying to become a different person overnight. I was only trying to wake up without my phone. Drink 1 glass of water. Sit still for 5 minutes. That is all. But somewhere between day 1 and day 9, something shifted. Not because of one big moment, because of 15 small ones, repeated gently, without giving up. You did not just read about brain training today. You began building a stronger mind, one quiet decision at a time. And the person you become after 9 days of small, honest steps, that person was inside you the whole time. You only had to start.